Alright guys, I wanted to give you my review on the Nintendo Switch. Like, this has to be on my top favorite portable consoles probably ever. And like you see, it's like you don't just have to play games. Like, you can download Hulu, go to YouTube, and it's just like exactly as if you were doing it like on your mobile device, except on a way larger screen. So that's kind of cool. And then obviously you can play games. I'll let that load. Back here, put your SD card, and it also serves as a stand. So you can do it like that. Take these bad boys off. Kind of do some hands-free gaming, which I also enjoy. Bam. Hook it up to your docking station, onto your TV. Like, not just for kids, adults. It's for everybody, guys. I mean, this has to be the coolest gaming console.